Hi guys, this is the Red Dragon. Just doing a third follow-up. That's what the LED light looks like. Now it's not dark here, but in the dark this thing is extremely bright. It was easy to install right there. And I have it coming up and it hits blue on the whole top of my car. With just a simple bright blue LED light that I showed you how to wire up step by step a few videos ago. It shoots blue on the top of my car, and then blue radiates out from my car, and there's no mistaking that there's an alarm system in here. So if I close the door, there it is. And I'd encourage you to go back and follow the instructional video I posted for you guys. This can be done in any car for 69 cents. And when you start the car, or just turn it on accessories, turns the LED off, and it turns the radio on. Excellent. Now, when we get out of the car, and it's just on accessories, just get out of the car, and it starts blinking, turns the radio off. Good to go. You're all set. Nobody's gonna break in your car. You got the LED light on. Thieves are just gonna skip it.